Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about the computer basics, the chapter 5 which is the storage devices. But first, ano nga ba ang storage device? So ang storage device is used in the computer to store data, and it provides the one of the core function of modern computer. So we have four types of storage device. First, the primary storage. Second is secondary storage. Third is the tertiary storage. And the last is offline storage. So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng primary, secondary, tertiary, and offline storage? Una, ang primary storage. Tinatawag din itong main memory. So ang main memory ay directly or indirectly na connected sa Central Processing Unit or the CPU via memory bus. So itong memory ay nakakonected directly or indirectly sa ating CPU or the Central Processing Unit via memory bus. So ang CPU naman ay nagko-continue na mag-read ng iba't ibang instruction and ini-store niya din siya and ini-execute as required po siya. Ang mga example natin ng mga primary storage ay ang ROM, RAM, and cache. Ano ang RAM and ROM? Ang RAM po ay random access memory, while ang ROM naman po is read-only memory. So meron tayong dalawang types ng RAM. First is the static RAM. Ang pangalawa naman ay dynamic RAM. Ang pinagkaiba niya po ay ang dynamic ay slower, less expensive, while ang static naman ay faster and mas expensive siya. So now let's proceed to the secondary storage. So ang secondary storage naman ay it's not directly accessible by the CPU. Ibig sabihin, hindi po siya directly na-access ng CPU. So, ang ginagawa ng computer is gumagamit sila ng input and output channels to access the secondary storage. Then, ipapasa naman po siya doon sa mismong primary storage po. Ang example ng secondary storage is the hard disk. Hard disk is usually the largest and the main storage device in a computer. So, it can restore 160 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. So, ganun po kalaki yung scale niya na kaya niyang ipunin na data. 160 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. So now, let's proceed to the tertiary storage. So, ang tertiary storage typically involves a robotic mechanism to insert and remove mass storage media to the storage devices. So, tertiary storage data is usually very slow storage device. Matagal po siya maka-read ng mga data po. Kaya minsan na-archive na lang po yung mga data kaysa ilagay po doon. So the example of tertiary storage or the tertiary storage devices are the optical disk and the magnetic tape. So the last type of storage device is the offline storage, or also known as disconnected storage. It is mass connected or inserted by a human operator before computer can access it again. So, tinatawag din ang offline storage as removable storage. And ang mga example ng offline storage are the floppy disk, the memory card, and the flash drive. So, the floppy disk is a portable and soft magnetic disk. Floppy disk is slower to access than the hard disk, and it has a less storage capacity than the other storage devices. It can only store up to 1.44 MB. So, kung titignan po natin is parang sobrang konti po talaga. As in parang isang file lang or document lang ang kanyang i-store na data. USB flash drives. So ang USB po, Universal Serial Bus. Ito po yung commonly na makikita po natin na nilalagay or portable po sa mga nilalagay sa sa flash drive, portable po na nilalagay sa computer po. So, ang size po ng flash drive or yung storage capacity po ng isang USB flash drive is from 256 MB to 16 gigabytes. So, that's all. Sana po may natutunan kayo about computer basics.